Broadcast Incentive Auction Transition. Americans get access to local television stations in a number of ways. Some subscribe to a cable provider that carries local channels. Others pay for satellite service, including those channels. And some purchase a digital antenna to directly receive over-the-air broadcasts from local stations. If you use a digital antenna to access local broadcast stations, over the next few years, you may notice some changes to your channel lineup. In this video, we will explain why these channel changes are happening, what you need to do to continue receiving over-the-air TV signals, and where you can find helpful resources. Why are some TV stations changing channels? Services such as radio, broadcast television, Wi-Fi, and mobile phones send and receive signals using a specific portion of the radio frequency spectrum, the airwaves over which wireless communications travel. There is a limited amount of spectrum, and Congress determined that some reorganization of the spectrum bands was necessary to create more opportunities for expanding mobile voice and data services throughout the United States. To do that, some broadcasters voluntarily sold their current broadcast channel to the FCC, which then auctioned those frequencies to wireless service providers. The broadcasters received a share of the proceeds from the auction, and the wireless service providers received access to more spectrum. Now that the auction has concluded, the FCC is reorganizing TV channels to make room for these new wireless services. This means that some broadcast television stations will change their channels or share a channel with another station, or in some cases go off the air. The Commission has created a schedule for these channel changes over the next few years that minimizes inconvenience to viewers. What do you need to do? You may notice that a station you watch begins to provide an on-air notice of the date on which they plan to move. This notice will give you time to plan, since it will begin to air at least 30 days before a station changes channels. This will be your signal that you will soon need to take action. Whether you've marked your calendar or simply noticed that your local channel seems to suddenly be missing from your TV lineup, the only action you will need to take is to rescan your television set for available channels. Rescanning is easy and takes just a few minutes. Your TV tuner will do all of the work. Occasional rescanning is generally a good idea, as new stations enter a market, expand their coverage area, or change channels from time to time. Where can you learn more? For more information on how to rescan for channels, visit our Rescanning Guide, which includes an instructional video at www.fcc.gov/rescan. Your TV owner's manual or manufacturer's website are also useful resources for how to rescan channels on your particular TV model. And you can check with local TV stations either by telephone or on their websites for more information about the specific timing of the transition. You can also stay on top of the latest information about the transition at www.fcc.gov/incentive-auctions/consumers. For additional assistance, contact the FCC's ASL video phone line at 1-844-432-2275. We are here to help broadcasters and viewers make a smooth transition.